In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the logo width and size on your Shopify website. Whether you're trying to make your online store look more professional, improve your brand's visual consistency, or you simply feel like your logo looks too big, too small, or slightly off, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. A properly sized logo plays a huge role in first impressions, so if you want your store to look clean, polished, and trustworthy, you're definitely in the right place. Let's go ahead and fix this together. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and go to the Online Store section from the left-hand menu. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Themes and click on it. This will take you to the area where you can manage and customize your website's design and layout. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details, because even small changes here can have a big visual impact on your store. Next, find your current active theme and click on the Customize or Edit Theme button. Once you're inside the theme editor, look for the gear icon that represents Theme Settings and click on it. This is where many global design options live, including logo settings. Follow the on-screen layout as you move through the editor. Shopify themes are designed to be user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical or overwhelming to worry about. Just move step by step and review each option as you go. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your logo image is high resolution, saved in a web-friendly format like PNG or SVG, and that its dimensions are proportional. Avoid uploading a logo that's extremely wide or tall, as this can cause layout issues. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent your logo from looking blurry, stretched, or pixelated on your site. Once you've opened the logo section inside Theme Settings, adjust the logo width or size using the slider or input box provided. Move it gradually and keep an eye on the live preview as you adjust. Remember, making your logo too large can overpower your header, while making it too small can hurt brand visibility. After you find the perfect balance, click the Save button at the top right corner of the page. After that, preview your website to make sure the logo looks great across different pages and layouts. It's also a smart idea to check the mobile view to ensure your logo displays properly on smaller screens. Taking this extra step ensures your store looks professional everywhere. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the logo width and size on your Shopify store easily and efficiently without touching any code at all. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If this video helped improve your store's appearance, feel free to share it with others who might be struggling with the same issue. Why not help someone make their online store look amazing too? Keep optimizing your store, keep refining your brand, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.